Hello! In this short tutorial, we'll review how to parse JSON strings using SQL statements. Let's go! To save some time, I've gone ahead and inserted the sample JSON document into a work table. You can work from the variable directly. It makes no difference. The idea is, or the end goal is, to take the JSON document on the left-hand side and write a SQL query that it gives you this nice table on the right-hand side. Building the query is pretty straightforward if you understand what a OpenJson function does. In short, OpenJson is a function that parses a JSON document and it returns a row set view of that JSON document. So in this instance, I had one record in the table, which is the first query. When I cross-applied OpenJson to the JSON string, I got two rows, one for attribute product name and another for attribute name scenarios. Now, if I need to expand scenarios further, so for example, I need to get lead name, then what I do is I define the scenarios in my top level as JSON, then use OpenJson to get the row set view of the scenarios. I can also explicitly define what my row set view looks like. Once I have that, then I can query it in my select statement. Here's what the final query looks like. SQL Server provides additional JSON functions to query JSON documents, but I found them more cumbersome to use. But it could be applicable for your use case. So I provided a link if you want to dig in further. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks again.